Welcome all. Today's lecture is classification of boundary layer thickness. Classification of boundary layer thickness. Classification of boundary layer thickness. The boundary layer thickness can be classified into three terms. First one is displacement thickness. Displacement thickness. Second one is energy thickness. And momentum thickness. So, the boundary layer thickness can be classified into three terms. One is displacement thickness, energy thickness and momentum thickness. Simply, we can denote the displacement thickness in terms of delta star. Delta is the thickness of the boundary layer. Delta star is the displacement thickness. Next is energy thickness. Energy thickness is denoted by delta E. Next, momentum thickness is denoted by theta. From this, we are having the formulas. First, we are having formulas. So, first is displacement thickness. Delta star, which is equal to integral over 0 to delta 1 minus u by u into dy. This is the formula for displacement thickness. And second formula is momentum thickness. Momentum thickness is denoted by theta. The formula is integral over 0 to delta u by u into 1 minus u by u dy. Comparing this, here all the terms are same except u by u. For finding displacement thickness or momentum thickness, we can compare and easily remember the formulas. Next, third one, energy thickness, that is delta E. Formula integral over 0 to delta u by u into 1 minus u square by u square dy. For third formula, comparing this one, here simply u by u is here u square by u square. Simply you can remember these three formulas. Okay. See the problem related to the boundary layer. The problem says the velocity distribution in the boundary layer is given by u by u is equal to y by delta. They have given the velocity distribution is u by u equal to y by delta, where small u is the velocity. Small u is the velocity at a distance of y. At a distance of y, the velocity is small u from the flat plate, and u by u at y equal to delta, where small u equal to capital U. Small u is the velocity of the fluid and capital U is the mainstream velocity. When it is equal, the distance and thickness will be equal. Find out the displacement thickness, momentum thickness and energy thickness. In this problem, we need to find out the thickness. First one is displacement thickness, which is delta star, and momentum thickness theta, and the energy thickness delta E. In this problem, we need to find out these three values. First, write the given data. What is the given data? Small u by capital U is equal to y by delta. It is the data given, where small u by capital U we need to substitute y by delta. What deltas we need to find? Delta star, theta and delta E. So the given data is small u by capital U equal to y by delta. From this we need to find out these three thickness values, right? Solution. First we need to find out the displacement thickness. First one, displacement thickness. Which is denoted by delta star. Displacement thickness is denoted by delta star. What is the formula? Delta star equal to integral over 0 to delta 1 minus u by u into dy. This is the formula for displacement thickness. In this, from given data, they are given what? U by u equal to y by delta. In this formula, we need to substitute for u by u equal to y by delta. Substituting delta star equal to integral over 0 to delta 1 minus, for u by u we need to substitute y by delta because in given data u by u equal to y by delta. So I am substituting y by delta into dy. Okay, dy. Next, integrate with respect to y. Next, integrate with respect to y term. For integrating, integration of 1 is y. Okay. Next, integration of y is y square by 2. Right. So here delta is here. So 2 delta. What is the limits? Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is delta. Substituting for y, the upper limit is delta minus delta square by 2 delta minus lower limit is 0. For y is 0, here y is 0, 0 divided by anything is 0. So the lower limit term is 0. Next, here simplify this, delta cancel, here delta cancel. So delta divided by, delta minus delta by 2, which is delta by 2 for displacement thickness. Displacement thickness, delta star equal to delta divided by 2. Similarly, we need to find out the other two values. One is momentum thickness and energy thickness. In this, simply we are integrating with respect to y and substitute the limits, upper limit minus lower limit, then you can get the answer for displacement thickness. Next, we need to find out the momentum thickness. What is the formula for momentum thickness? Already we know the formula for momentum thickness is momentum thickness is denoted by theta. What is the formula? Theta equal to integral over 0 to delta u by u into 1 minus u by u dy. Right? Theta equal to integral over 0 to delta small u by capital U into 1 minus u by u dy. Integral over 0 to delta. For u by u they have given y by delta. So for u by u I am substituting y by delta into 1 minus y by delta dy. While starting integrating, we need to simplify these terms. Multiply with this integral over 0 to delta y by delta into 1 is y by delta. Y by delta into 1 is y by delta minus y by delta into y by delta y square by delta square into dy. So first we need to simplify these terms and start integrating. Now we need to integrate with respect to y. We need to integrate with respect to y. So y, integration of y is y square by 2. Integration of y into dy is equal to y square by 2. So here integrating y square by 2, here also delta term is there, so delta minus. Here integration of y square is y cube by 3, right? So y cube by 3 into delta square. What is the limits? 0 to delta. Okay? Simplifying. Now we need to apply the upper limit for y. So the term will become delta square divided by 2 delta minus delta cube divided by 3 delta square. This is the upper limit. Minus lower limit is for y 0 means this term 0 and this term also 0. So the lower term is 0. Simplify this formula. Delta cancel, here delta cancel, and here delta square and here delta square. So the term between delta divided by 2 minus delta divided by 3. How we can simplify these things? Take LCM. LCM is 6. Then here 3 delta minus 2 delta, which is delta by 6. Now we got the answer for momentum weakness, which is delta by 6. Right? Next one is energy thickness. Next one is energy thickness. Energy thickness is denoted by delta E. Okay. What is the formula? Delta E is equal to integral over 0 to delta u by u into 1 minus u square by u square into dy. This is the formula for energy thickness. Then start applying. Delta E equal to integral over 0 to delta u by u is in given data small u by capital U equal to y by delta. So y by delta into 1 minus y square by delta square into dy. Before integrating, we need to simplify these terms. Start multiplying. Y by delta into 1 is y by delta. So integral over 0 to delta y by delta into 1 is y by delta. Next, y square by delta square into y by delta is y cube by delta cube into dy. Now we can start integrating. Integration of y into dy is y square by 2. Next, integration of y cube into dy is y power 4 divided by Start integrating. Here integration of y is y square by 2. Y square by 2. Here already delta term is there. Minus integration of y cube is y power 4 divided by 4. So y power 4 divided by 4, already in denominator delta cube is there. Next, limits in 0 to delta. Limits, upper limit is delta and lower limit is 0. Now we need to apply the limits. First, upper limit delta square divided by 2 delta minus delta power 4 divided by 4 delta cube. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0. For y, we need to substitute 0. 0 divided by 2 delta is 0. And 0 divided by 4 delta 3 is 0. So the lower term will be 0. Simplify these terms. Delta is getting cancelled. Delta cube and delta cube is getting cancelled. So the final term will be equal to delta divided by 2 minus delta divided by 4. Delta divided by 2 minus, what is the LCM? 4 is the LCM. So here 2 delta minus delta, that is equal to delta divided by 4. So energy thickness. The energy thickness is 1/4 the time of boundary layer thickness. So from this problem we can find out the three values. One is displacement thickness delta star, momentum thickness theta, and energy thickness delta E.